One of the most common questions I get asked is, how much does a TradingView subscription cost? And the short answer is, it depends entirely on what you need. TradingView isn't a one-size-fits-all platform, and that's a good thing. They have a range of plans designed for everyone from the casual investor to the professional trader. Let's break it down, starting with the most important price point of all, free. The basic plan on TradingView is completely free, and it's surprisingly robust. With the free plan, you get access to their top-tier charting tools, over 100 indicators, and one chart per layout. You can also use paper trading to practice without any real money, which is a fantastic feature for beginners. The main trade-off is that it's ad-supported and you're limited on the number of indicators and alerts you can have. But for most people just starting out, this is more than enough to learn the ropes. Now, if you want to get serious, you'll need to look at their paid subscriptions. The next step up is the Essential plan. This starts at around $15 per month when billed annually. With Essential, you get an ad-free experience, 5 indicators per chart, 2 charts in one layout, and more price and technical alerts. It's a significant upgrade that makes your charting and analysis much more efficient. Beyond that, you have the Plus plan, which is for more active traders. This runs about $30 per month with an annual subscription. It bumps you up to 10 indicators per chart, for charts in a layout, and a huge increase in alerts. This is perfect for people who are tracking multiple markets or strategies at the same time. And finally, for the power user, there's the Premium plan. This is around $60 per month billed annually. Premium gives you a massive 25 indicators per chart, 8 charts in one layout, and a crazy number of active alerts. It also includes features like second-based intervals and multi-monitor support, which are a game changer for day traders. So, how much is a TradingView subscription? It's as much as you need it to be. Start with the free plan, get comfortable, and when you feel like you're hitting its limits, you can confidently choose the paid plan that fits your trading journey.